here. So Mr. Kalappa is saying...
How do you explain the fact that the vote margin of the India alliance has moved up from 26% to 40%?
How do you explain the fact... Sanju Verma, please come in here. How do you explain the fact, Mr. Kalappa, that the NDA managed 14 more votes than they were expecting? How do you explain that? Sanju Verma, please come in here. The charge is... पैसा देके आपने वोट खरीदा है. That is vote chori. That is not cross voting.
Shreya, with no offense to you, we are 10 minutes into the debate, and for the last 10 minutes, Brijesh Kalappa, the Congress spokesperson, has been making one allegation after another, has been speaking incoherently. I need at least half the time. Let me first make one thing very clear. 767 votes were cast, 752 valid, 15 votes invalid. The winner needed 377 votes. How many did the winner win? In this case, the NDA nominee C.P. Radhakrishnan, 452 votes. Now from 452, you deduct the 15 invalid votes. Even then, the BJP-led NDA would have got 437 votes. Now from this 437, you again deduct the 14 votes which were supposedly due to cross-voting. Even then, C.P. Radhakrishnan would have got 423 votes. So my limited point is, out of 452, you remove the 15 invalid votes, you remove the 14 votes that were supposedly due to cross-voting. Even then, C.P. Radhakrishnan would have won hands down with 423 votes against the required number of 377, still far ahead of the required majority. So the first point is, C.P. Radhakrishnan is a winner hands down, irrespective of how you look at this entire process. Second thing, you guys, when I say you, I mean Rahul Gandhi and this entire bunch of, so-called Samvidhan protectors who only showcase that red book but do not believe in the democratic ethos of our country. Let me educate them. This time EVMs were not used, Shreya. Ballot paper के द्वारा हुआ था चुनाव. So ballot paper के द्वारा चुनाव हुआ. Rather than 377, we won 452. And Jairam Ramesh was crooning about the fact that 315 तो जरूर मिलेंगे. आपको 315 नहीं 300 वोट मिले. Plus, I can turn around and say that Jairam Ramesh, Pawan Khera, Rahul Gandhi, M.K. Stalin, Mamata Banerjee, you guys are not able to manage your flock. You are not able to keep your flock together. और गलती किसकी है? हाँ जी, इलेक्शन कमीशन की गलती है, बीजेपी की गलती है, नरेंद्र मोदी की गलती है, किरण रिजिजू की गलती है, अमित शाह जी की गलती है, राजनाथ सिंह की गलती है. Basically, there's a famous saying, Shreya, a bad workman blames his tools. And Rahul Gandhi is that bad workman who consistently blames the tools, the institutions, the mechanism, the process. In this case, process is not punishment. Process is something which is constitutionally upheld. So stop demonizing our processes, stop demonizing our institutions, stop demonizing our constitutional bodies. And by the way, my final point, Rahul Gandhi कहते हैं मैं मोहब्बत की दुकान खोलने आया हूँ. Congress is the main opposition party in Punjab, which is ravaged by floods. And Rahul Gandhi was busy holidaying in Malaysia. Pawan Khera busy gallivanting in Tamil Nadu. Kejriwal busy gallivanting in Rajkot. And you guys expect to win. Sharam aati hai ya nahi?
Mr. Kalappa, I'll let you respond. Since there are multiple Brahmos that the BJP spokesperson has fired at the Congress, I'll let you respond. Please take 20 seconds. The answer to everything, Mr. Kalappa, cannot be vote chori.
See, as far as these allegations are concerned, Shreya, I'm very glad that you've given my learned friend from the BJP uninterrupted, opportunity to speak, and continuously you interrupted me 12 times, and I'm very glad
I couldn't make sense
that as far
of
as
what
the
you're
BJP
saying.
is concerned,
Anyway, go ahead.
Even once, and I'm so thankful to you, Shreya, that I used to make sense in every debate when you were in the other channel. But as soon as you joined Times Now, I've stopped making sense. then I think you should stop having me on this debate, no?
Mr. Kalappa, you
Stop having
started
the
by
Indian
saying
National
that
Congress on your
all
debates.
15 invalid
I'm
votes
not
yesterday
begging to come.
belong to the India bloc.
Yeah.
Then you heard Rahul Gandhi. Then you said, no, these votes were actually bought. The NDA bought MPs who voted for the NDA candidate. अब आप भी देख लीजिए ना what you are doing.
Yeah.
If you say two things in a span of 5 minutes, I will obviously cross question you. Anyhow, for the moment, let's leave me aside and let you can possibly respond to what Sanju Verma has said.
See, I'm not going to respond to what Sanju Verma said. First, she was shrieking, therefore I couldn't hear well. In fact, I asked for the volume to be raised, so I couldn't understand what she was saying. But I'll come to what you were saying, Shreya.
Acha Sanju, let him have
24/7.
Sanju, don't heckle him. Let him have his say. Mr. Kalappa, go ahead. Sanju, रुक जाइए. There are other people on the show as well. Let them have their say. Very quickly, Mr. Kalappa.